Getting the unable to initiate call, please try again error on WhatsApp on your iPhone. This can happen due to network issues, app glitches, or incorrect settings. In this video, I'll show you how to solve the WhatsApp call initiation problem on your iPhone step by step. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, then make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn on live activity. First, open up the Settings app. Now scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on Apps. Now find the WhatsApp. Then tap on it. After that, make sure to toggle on live activity from here. And also make sure to toggle on the background app refresh. Solution 2. Turn off VPN. Open up the Settings app again. After that, tap General. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, make sure to disconnect your VPN. Now restart your iPhone and try to call someone on WhatsApp and see whether the issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Set the time zone automatically. Go to Settings again. Now tap General. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Date and Time. Turn on the Set Automatically. Solution 4. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now, tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is solved now. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.